In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Canva's premium features to resize designs, remove backgrounds, keep your branding consistent, access premium creative assets, and plan social media content more efficiently. If you want to speed up your workflow and create more polished content, these tools can make a big difference. They're especially useful if you regularly design for multiple platforms and want everything to look professional without spending extra time repeating the same tasks. Let's begin with Magic Resize. This feature helps you instantly adapt one design for different social media platforms. After opening your existing design, select the Resize option and choose the formats you need, such as an Instagram post, a story, or a Facebook cover. Canva will generate resized versions based on your original layout. This saves time because you do not need to rebuild the design from scratch for every platform. After resizing, it is still a good idea to quickly review each version and adjust spacing, text size, or image placement so everything looks clean and balanced. Next, use Background Remover to take the background out of an image with a single click. Select your photo, open the image editing tools, and choose the background removal option. Canva will automatically separate the subject from the background, which is great for product photos, profile graphics, or layered promotional designs. For the best result, use clear, high-quality images where the subject stands out well from the background. If needed, you can refine the edges afterward for a smoother final look. Another very helpful feature is the Brand Kit. This allows you to save your logos, fonts, and brand colors so your designs stay consistent. Once your brand assets are uploaded, you can apply them more quickly in future projects. This is especially useful for businesses, teams, or creators who want a recognizable visual identity across every post, presentation, or marketing graphic. Keeping these elements in one place also reduces mistakes and makes your design process much more efficient. You also get access to premium templates and stock media. This gives you a large library of exclusive templates, photos, videos, and graphics that can help elevate the quality of your work. Instead of starting from a blank page, you can choose a template that matches your goal and customize it to fit your message and style. This is a great way to save time while still creating content that feels polished and engaging. Finally, there's the Content Planner. This feature lets you schedule and publish your social media posts directly from Canva. After your design is finished, you can organize when your content goes live, helping you stay consistent and plan ahead more effectively. It is a simple way to manage your posting schedule without switching between multiple tools. With these features, Canva becomes much more than a design platform. It becomes a complete content creation and publishing tool that helps you work faster and smarter.